Hello, namaste, annyeonghaseyo, hala, привет. Today I'm going to do a DIY project that was requested by BTS Army Forever 7. I'm going to show you how to make your very own kawaii sticker. For that I'm using a label sheet or a blank sticker paper. I'm cutting out a single piece for easier drawing purposes. Start by sketching your kawaii design on a label sheet paper. Think about all the cute things that make you smile, such as animals, food, or everyday objects. Don't be afraid to get creative and add your own personal touch. If you are having trouble thinking of any ideas, you can browse online for some cute designs to get inspiration from. I really love cupcakes, and when I saw a kawaii sticker of a cupcake, it looked even cuter. That's why I chose to draw it. As you have seen in the thumbnail, I will show you 3 ways to make kawaii stickers, starting with using a blank sticker paper. Once you are happy with your design, simply use a pencil to trace an outline around your design. After finishing, pick up your colored markers, pens or color pencils and start filling in your kawaii designs. You can use bright and pastel colors to make them even more adorable. Feel free to experiment and play around with different color combinations. Once your designs are all colored in, grab your scissor and carefully cut around the outline of the sticker. Take your time and make sure you get a clean and smooth edges. If you want to give your stickers a glossy finish and extra durability, you can cover them with clear adhesive tape or use a sticker laminate. This tape is entirely optional, but it can make your stickers look more professional and long lasting. This is another way of making kawaii stickers only using a tape. To start, grab a thick piece of paper and draw your own design on it. Once you are finished drawing your design, trace an outline around it. For this particular design, I am using only pens, but feel free to use whatever materials you have available to you. Give it a try and see what works best for you. Since this design is small, I couldn't cut it out using scissors, so I opted to use a paper knife instead. Be careful while using it. Take a transparent sheet and place a piece of tape over it. Then position your sticker on the sheet and add another layer of tape on top. After that, carefully cut around the sticker, leaving some space. Next process is using a double-sided tape. For this, I made a design of a cute cat. Attach the design onto the adhesive area of the tape and cut it out as shown. So these are the 3 different stickers done by 3 different ways. Let's put it on the notebook. Can you see this? This much you have to keep the width, otherwise the tape will peel off quickly. That's it for today's tutorial on DIY kawaii stickers. Thanks for watching.